All right, everyone, a quick update on LCX here. So from the last time we looked at LCX, it's still holding up in our macro green support box we threw up on the chart. I believe a last update. Now, this is not based on anything but the point 0.5, of course, at 14, where the price we know from the past was getting stuck for all of these years with no weekly candles above. And then, of course, we know what happened after that. And the bottom of this box is merely based on all of the candles from the past, where these candles are sitting on the box perfectly, some of them with wicks. And that's the reason I drew the box on the chart. So, pointed out last time that it's just a very large macro support and resistance area. And as you can clearly see, we are holding it once again. And potentially with the higher low off of these wicks here and the green candle spawning in here, this could very well be it. So in the past, support turned resistance, resistance, resistance until we finally blew through it. You're now back at that macro support area on LCX. So this could very well be the bottom on the macro scale for LCX, and it's only up from here on out. So I just want you guys to be aware of that. As long as you're holding above, what is this here, about 12 pennies up to 14, those are your prices to pretty much watch right now. Once you get back over 14 here, then that would kind of confirm to me that that was the macro bottom on that level, which we could do one more thing here, draw from the high here to the low. And then once the price gets over, which you can see it's matching up perfectly at 14 with the 236 over high to the low on the smaller fib here. So once we get the price back over the 236, that will confirm, at least to me, that the bottom is in on that macro support and resistance level here. So 14 is a big price to get over. 12 is a big price to hold on the macro scale. Any lower than that with a candle close, which we haven't had, then that would tell you the price is going down to about 9 pennies here, and you would end up dropping on the macro scale from where you are right now about 25-26%, and potentially lower than that because it is a large macro area to hold. So just keep those prices in mind. Now, with all that being said, how high can LCX go for this cycle? We're going to get into our measurements here. Our first target is the $1.2 billion market cap. So we would have LCX up here at about $1.60 at the 1272 here on the Coinbase chart, and you would get about a 12x from today on your LCX investment, that is. And then we have the $3.6 billion market cap up to about 250 at the 1414 is going to give you about an 18.5x. So these are some good solid prices, 160, 250, and then 475, you can call it here, would be the top target for a $4.5 billion market cap. And that would hit you the 1618, and that's where you're going to get a 35x out of LCX for the rest of this cycle here. So, of course, comment down below. What are your thoughts? None of this is financial advice. And thanks for watching, everyone. Good luck. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.